I am Srividya. I am studying 10th class C section from ZPHS Chandur. Our maths sir name is Buttireddy sir. Our HM sir name is Karnataka Reddy sir. Now I go to tell about Heron's formula. Here, half of the semi-perimeter of the triangle is denoted by S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here I do cross multiplication. We get 2S is equal to A plus B plus C, and here subtract 2A on both sides. We get 2S minus 2A is equal to A plus B plus C minus 2A. Here we take common 2, is 2 of S minus A is equal to A plus B plus C minus 2A. Here we take
Okay.
I take it is zero equation, it is equation 1, and similarly we take 2 of S minus B, we get A plus C minus D, it is equation 2, and here we take 2 of S minus C equal to A plus B minus C, it is equation 3.
Okay.
Now draw a triangle ABC and we consider height of the triangle ABC. It is perpendicular to BC. It is denoted by D, and here opposite side of angle A is equal to small a, and opposite side of angle B is equal to small b, and opposite side of angle C is equal to small c. Here AD is height is denoted by H. We don't know BD, length of the BD and DC, so let BD is equal to D, and A minus D we get length of the DC, so A minus D.
Okay.
After we draw, we get two right angle triangles, so we take one triangle in triangle ABD. Here angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. And here using Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to c square minus t square. It is equation 4. And another triangle is ADC. Here we take triangle ADC. Here also angle ADC is 90 degrees. And here also we using Pythagoras theorem, we get x square is equal to b square minus a minus d whole square. It is equation 5. And I take equation 4 and 5 implies we get c square minus d square is equal to b square minus a minus d whole square. Here it is clearly that a form of a minus b whole square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. We substitute this value, we get b square minus a square minus 2ad plus b square. After we simplify this, we get plus 2ad and here minus C square minus D square. C square minus, in above we find the value of D. We substitute this value. We get C square plus A square minus B square by 2A, A square and whole square. We see that it is clearly that form of A square minus B square. It comes to A plus B and A minus B. We use this formula, we get C square nothing but C, and plus C square plus A square minus B square by 2A, and minus C square plus A square minus B square by 2A. Our conventionally we take C by 1 and C by 1. Okay. Now we, according to the Assa Bussa Bam mantra, we get Assa means 2A into C becomes 2AC, and Bussa means 1 into C square plus A square plus B square is comes to C square plus A square by B square. Bam means 1 into 2A means 2A. Here also we use Assa Bussa Bam mantra. We get Assa 2AC and Bussa minus C square minus A square plus B square. Here Bam means 1 into 2A becomes 2A. Now here we multiply denominators of the values 2A into 2A, we get 1 by 4A square, and we write these values also we write it in this way: A square plus 2AC plus C square minus B square, and B square minus A square minus 2AC plus C square. It is clearly that a form of A plus B whole square. We use that, and here this get A plus C whole square, and here A minus C whole square. Now 1 by 4A square. Here it is clearly that a form of A square minus B square nothing but A plus B and A minus B. A plus C plus B and A plus C minus B. Here B plus A minus C, B minus A plus C. Let us write in these values in our favor. We get 1 by 4A square is A plus B plus C and A plus B minus C, and C plus A minus B, B plus C minus A. Substituting correct values, we get 1 by 4A square of into 2S into 2S minus A into 2S minus B and into 2S minus C by 1, 2 and 3. Cancel that 1, 2, 1. 2 into 2 we get 4. So 4 into 1, 4 by A square, and here after remaining part we get AC, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So x square is called under root of 4 by A square, S of S minus A, of S minus B and S minus C, and here we get root 4 by A square and root S of S minus A and S minus B and S minus C. We get 2 by A under root of S of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. I take it is equation 7. We know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. get the formula. When we give them three sides of the triangle, we use this formula to solve the problem. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and